Unit 3, Applications of Expert Systems. Hello and welcome to Unit 3 of Expert Systems. In previous lessons, we learned what expert systems are and how they work. Today, we will discover where expert systems are used in the real world. Expert systems help doctors diagnose diseases, banks approve loans, industries monitor machines, and schools provide personalized learning. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how expert systems improve decision-making in different fields. After completing this lesson, you should be able to explain the major applications of expert systems, describe how expert systems are used in medicine, explain their use in banking and business, discuss industrial and engineering applications, describe educational and intelligent tutoring systems, state the advantages and limitations of expert systems. Let's begin. A world map showing hospitals, banks, factories, schools, farms, and customer service centers connected by AI networks. Expert systems are designed to solve problems that usually require human experts. They are useful when experts are not always available, when quick decisions are needed, and when accuracy is important. Today, expert systems are used in many areas, including medicine, finance, business, manufacturing, engineering, agriculture, education, and customer service. In this lesson, we will focus on 4 important application areas. 1. Medical diagnosis. Systems doctor enters patient symptoms into a computer. The system analyzes the information and suggests possible diseases. Medicine is one of the earliest and most successful application areas of expert systems. Medical expert systems help doctors diagnose diseases, recommend treatments, analyze laboratory results, and monitor patients. A medical expert system contains a knowledge base that stores information about diseases, symptoms, drugs, and medical rules. The inference engine compares patient symptoms with the stored knowledge to suggest a diagnosis. One famous example is Mycin, which was developed to diagnose bacterial infections and recommend suitable antibiotics. Medical expert systems improve healthcare by reducing errors, supporting doctors, and providing faster diagnosis. However, they cannot completely replace medical professionals because they depend on the knowledge stored in the system. 2. Financial and business applications. A modern bank uses AI to approve loans, detect fraud, and analyze customer information. Banks and businesses also use expert systems to make better decisions. For example, banks use expert systems to evaluate loan applications by checking a customer's income, credit history, and ability to repay. Expert systems also detect fraudulent activities such as fake insurance claims and unauthorized credit card transactions. Businesses use expert systems to provide customer support, recommend products, recruit employees, and assist with tax planning. These systems increase efficiency, reduce financial risks, and improve customer service. However, businesses must also protect customer data and keep their systems updated to maintain security. 3. Industrial and engineering applications. Expert systems play an important role in industries and engineering. Factories use them to monitor production processes, detect machine faults, and schedule maintenance before equipment fails. This process is known as predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down, the expert system predicts possible failures and recommends maintenance. Engineers also use expert systems for structural design, electrical circuit design, software development, and robotics. These applications increase productivity, improve product quality, reduce downtime, and create safer working environments. Despite these advantages, industrial expert systems are expensive to develop and require regular updates. 4. Educational and intelligent tutoring systems. Expert systems are transforming education. An intelligent tutoring system, or ITS, is a computer program that acts like a personal tutor. It studies how a student learns and provides lessons, exercises, feedback, and guidance based on the student's performance. These systems can automatically grade tests, recommend courses, and support language learning. Examples include Scholar, Cognitive Tutors, and AutoTutor. Educational expert systems provide flexible learning, immediate feedback, and personalized instruction. However, they cannot completely replace human teachers because they lack emotional understanding and personal interaction. 5. Advantages and limitations. Let's summarize the strengths and weaknesses of expert systems. Advantages: fast decision-making, reduced human errors, consistent results, easy access to expert knowledge, increased productivity. Limitations: high development, cost, limited flexibility, dependence on expert knowledge. Cannot think exactly like humans. Understanding both the benefits and the challenges helps organizations decide where expert systems are most useful. Modern trends. Today's expert systems are becoming more intelligent by combining modern technologies such as machine learning, big data, cloud computing, robotics, and the Internet of Things. These advanced systems can learn from data, improve their performance over time, and solve more complex problems. Examples include AI healthcare assistants, intelligent chatbots, smart factories, and adaptive online learning platforms. In summary, in this lesson, we learned that expert systems are used in many important fields. They help doctors diagnose diseases, support banks in financial decisions, improve industrial production, and provide personalized education. Although expert systems have some limitations, they continue to grow as artificial intelligence becomes more advanced. In the next unit, we will explore another important topic in expert systems. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share the video with your classmates. See you at the next lesson.